Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Big Mike here. As you can see, Oklahoma's getting ready to get angry. I don't know what's going on with this weather. It's been raining slightly, and now this front's coming in. Got to get some chores done today before whatever's coming's coming. All right, guys, I'm glad you're here. Hey, we're going to do a bunny update today. We're going to check on them. We're going to feed, water, do our chores, and then hopefully before that storm comes in, we can get that back pasture mode today, and hopefully we get it on film or we get rained out, one of the two. It's Oklahoma, it's crazy, but we love it here, guys. All right, here we go. Let's go check on the bunnies. All right, so we're over here at the bunny hutch. Let's check on these little rascals here. Hey guys, what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? That's the big one. If you remember, he's the escape artist. That's Houdini. And this is his little brother, Tiny. Let me get you in there, Tiny. What are you doing? Yeah. If you want a baby bunny, all right, they're here. They're growing out. I don't want to put them in freezer camp if somebody needs a bunny, but hey, you guys know my policy. What are you doing, Houdini? He's going, oh, you don't have no pellets over there. These two eat, oh my gosh, look at them. It was just like a month or so ago. They were just little hairless rabbits. Okay, guys, I'll get you some food. How's that? So there they are. They're healthy. They're growing, guys. And I gotta resex these things. Okay, these rabbits. I gotta make 100% sure, because I think this little one is a female, because the big one is like really aggressive on this one. So let's see what they are. We'll check those out and we'll give you an update on them. But yeah, brother and sister, I hope, because I need another female and I need to get rid of one of the bucks. So yeah, that's them. What are you doing? There's Coco Beware. Coco Beware, like I told you before, he's a New Zealand and Flemish giant. He's a meat rabbit. He's a buck. We know that because they be a hanging when he hops around and stuff like that. But he's got those big flappy ears. That releases a lot of heat from their bodies, is their ears and stuff like that. But yeah, he's. I'll give him away to a good home. I know butlers want him, but you know the policy, guys. First come, first serve. I got to clean out that pen and stuff like that. So that's Coco Beware. He's doing good. All right. Here's David C. This one is a messy one. Guys, once he bred Rachel, he's all over the place, and he likes to pee. I give him the wood. They chew on the wood, and I get it to get him off the wire and stuff like that. But he pees on it, he lays on it, and rolls in it. I don't know. Is that what boy bucks do? David, you're supposed to make yourself presentable. But Rachel's right next to him, and it drives him crazy. And he wants to breed something bad. But that's what they do, guys. If you watch anybody's videos, those bucks, they get messy. But we'll clean these out today. And he tears everything up. I mean, look at this. I don't know how he did this. And I don't know if you can see it. But look at this wire. See that wire? I don't know what he did, and I keep putting it back, and he keeps pulling it out. And I don't know how he broke that, but there's bite marks on it. He gets mad. Are you okay, David? David, are you listening to me? He ain't listening. That's what he does. But he's a good buck. Very aggressive. Got to get them some water. And there's Miss Rachel. How you doing? How did you get that off of there? Look at her salt. Her salt wheel's right there, and she's got it down there, and she's peeing on it. I don't know what she did with it, but there's where it was. It was right next to that one. And how she got that off there, I have no clue. I got to get her another one. They really like those things, but man, I don't know, girl. But she's doing good. Hey, these chickens, they won't shut up. Let's go over here to the coop. They want out. Look at them. I know, girls. One on top of the bucket. They're so silly. All right, guys, I'm going to open this one up first. Yeah, we open this up. Let me look for snakes. Oh, okay, good. Woo, you know me. All right. There's Blackie. She's on a nest. There's Mama. She's on a nest already. They're laying eggs, doing their job. Good job, guys. I'm just the union rep. I'm here to check you guys out, make sure you're doing your job. Any complaints? Take them to Miss Terrie. Got to put that chair there because the wind comes out of the west all the time. And it just gets the heat of the day off these chickens. Or out of the hen house. There's our death layers. Hey guys, they're growing. Look at them. Let's see if we can zoom in on them. The death layers are doing really well. They're growing. Kind of happy about that. We were saying, well, they're, and I think they're a smaller bird, or the hens are, but they are growing. Let me focus this back out. Guys, I'm working on it, okay? The good people need to know what's going on. Okay? See? She found her way out. Good girl. All right, let's get these chickens out. You guys ready? Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Hey, no fighting. Let's go, guys. Yep, look at them. They love to get out here and find some grasshoppers. All right, so we got the chickens out. They're happy. I don't know if I've ever done that before, or I show the chickens coming out of the run and stuff like that. I just thought it was cool. I don't know. You know, you gotta create. You know what I mean? You've got to create, and that's what we try to do here at MT Homestead. All right. Now that I'm retired, I got to take my marketing skills to the channel. Okay, I'm not restricted on marketing our channel, because part of my job was marketing the brand for the government agency that I worked for. So there are certain things I can and cannot do. Now I'm unemployed, as I told everybody, and I hope you guys were on that live. Again, unemployed, not looking for a job. Gonna start doing posting videos on Mondays and Fridays. So be ready for that. Guys, just enjoying life to the fullest. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay. Ladies, I know. See, they gather around me because the routine has broken up because we're doing a video. It is let them out, walk over, they eat the dead bugs from the night lights that are laying on the ground, and then they want scratch. Or they get angry. Wow, look at that thing she got. Holy crap. That was a big grasshopper. All right, so let's get these chickens fed, guys. Okay, guys, you guys, FDR, did you just crap right there where I stand? Oh my gosh. All right, guys, come on. Hey, come on, chicks. All right, here we go. Morning. There's breakfast. There's breakfast. The fighting can begin. There you go, guys. Enjoy. Bon appetit. All right, so now we're going to feed the rabbits. She's got hay. There you go, Mama. Push that down. Got that. Hey, David. How was your day, David? There's David. He's still got hay. Get you some pellets. Coco Beware's taken care of. All right, let me get rid of that. That's for the chickens. Did I just? Okay, I already put it in there. I need hay. There you go, Coco. And you two little rascals, you're empty. There you go. Get that thing filled up. Get rid of that. There you guys go. Take your block out so you don't escape. There's you some hay. You guys need a lot. Blocks back in place. There we go. So the rabbits are fed. Chickens are fed. I already fed the quail this morning. So those are all taken care of. Let's move over here. And we gotta get some water. So what we do here is I just turn on the water hose. There you guys go. Ooh. Turn that on. Turn that You guys want some water? I know you can't talk, so. Get that out the way. Put that on. There you go. They got water. What are you doing, Coco? You all stretched out? Yeah, guys. There's you some fresh water. There you go. What are you doing, David C? You need some water. He's a big drinker, guys. Yeah, he drinks a lot of water. He drinks one of these almost a day. Where Coco, he drinks one of those every 2 days. And then Rachel, hers lasts 2-3 days, but he drinks one of these every day. David C does. He hydrates. Yeah, let's get her topped off. There we go. All right. So everybody's got fresh water. There you go, Mama. And they're taken care of. All right. Let's go take care of the chickens. All right, so we got the chickens in the water. Topped you off. I cleaned these out yesterday. I just like to top them off. You topped off? Now I always top off this one in here. It usually always evaporates because they love drinking underneath the pecan tree. And I'll show you that. All right. There you go. I got you guys. Here, let me get this thing. Let me get it topped off for you. There we go. So they're happy. And feeding's done for the day. All right, guys. So, hey, that's a morning update for you. All the animals are fed. They're happy. Yeah, Batman's never happy. Never. Hey, and if you guys haven't gone over to our friends over at Cold Beer Ranch, John over at Cold Beer has got a lot of stuff going on with his new barndominium he's building. Love his merch. Really love it. I want the new one. That's what I really want. His new shirt. Okay, it's been out for a while, but I don't have one, John. Why don't I have one, John? I'm like a walking billboard for any channel. I'll take anything. I'm unemployed. Anyway, guys, I'm glad you came here for the morning update on the animals and stuff like that. Bunnies are looking good, aren't they? I'm going to hit the tractor. I'm going to start Babe up, and we're going to get out there and mow that pasture and stuff like that. And we like to keep it down. Number one, I love mowing, and a lot of people don't say that, okay? But I do love mowing. I'm out there by myself. I ain't got to hear nothing. Listen to the little tunes in the iPods. Mow that stuff down so it looks nice out there. And also so we can see the coyotes, so we can see the bobcats, so we can see the raccoons, all those animals, skunks that want to eat our chickens. We want to see them coming, and we want to give, it's like an early warning so the chickens can see them coming. So anyway, guys, hey, I'm glad you came. Remember, be kind to one another, help somebody in need, and always, always think of that. All right, guys, we love you. God bless you. Hey, we'll see you on the next video. And that might be on Monday. Remember, Monday, Tuesday, Monday, Fridays, we do post videos. We have our live on Wednesday at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. Me and Terry go on there. We cut it up. We talk about stuff. Hey, and we even have arguments on there. If you've seen the last one, you got to check that one out. Hey, and then on Tuesdays at 8 Central Time in the PM, it's myself and Jason from White Rock Homestead. We go live on Sergeant's Talk TV. Guys, we have a blast on there, guys. Come in and listen to the conversation. Get involved. If you're a vet, if you're a spouse of a vet, you're a Gold Star family member, whatever your status is, active duty, National Guard, come check us out over there at Sergeant's Talk TV. And even if you're not in one of those categories and you just want to, hey, what's the goings on over there at Sergeant's Talk? Come on in too. Subscribe to the channels, guys. We love you. God bless you. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.